About to do this tire change on a Chevy Silverado 2018. Should probably be out of here in 5-6 minutes. All right, you know how I'm living. Everything's organized a little bit here. There's my jack, there's my tool bag, there's my spare tire speed tools. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure I can get the spare tire down. You're wasting your life if you don't have one of these. I don't know, was that like 10 seconds? It's as fast as you can do it. I know you know the drill. Tool bag to the problem. Hopefully that's high enough. You do not need a special tool for this size bullet lugs. It's just a regular deep well. Switch it up to the torque stick. It's a critical point. You don't want to just jam your lug nuts on there. Make sure they're on there, going on there straight.